The kidneys are key organs that filter waste and extra fluids from the blood, maintain a balanced electrolyte level, produce vital hormones, and assist in the maintenance of kidney health. Is crucial for overall well-being. But some foods can damage your kidneys. In this video, we will look at the 10 worst foods that might damage your kidney and explain why you should stay away from them. 1. Pickles. It is advisable to consume pickles in moderation to avoid harming your kidney health. Low-sodium pickle varieties are an option, or you can even make your own at home to control the sodium content. Pickles are popular snacks and condiments known for their tangy flavor. However, pickles are very good, high in sodium, which can increase blood pressure level, can overload the kidney over time, potentially causing kidney damage. 2. Avocados. Avocados are, despite the fact that avocados have many health advantages, their rich nutritional value, which includes good fat, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, made them famous as a superfood. People with impaired renal function may be concerned about their excessive potassium content. Though excessive potassium level can be troublesome, people with healthy kidney can still take avocado in moderation. Potassium is a mineral that the kidney assists control. 3. Red meat. Red meat, which includes beef, pork, and lamb, is a good source of protein and nutrients. But it also contains phosphorus, which the kidney may find difficult to process in excess. In addition, red meat can produce waste that contain nitrogen, which the kidney must filter. To lessen the possible impact on kidney health, choose lean meat cuts, control portion size, and balance your diet with other protein sources like chicken, fish, or plant-based food. 4. Spinach. Cooking spinach can help reduce its oxalate content, making it a safe option for those who are concerned. Spinach is well known for its impressive nutritional profile, which includes vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, it is also rich in oxalate compounds, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stone in susceptible individuals. 5. Dark cola. Due to their high sugar and caffeine content, dark-colored colas are known to raise blood pressure, dehydrate people, and maybe strain their kidney. Additionally, the phosphoric acid in colas might eventually cause renal problems. For the benefits of kidney health, it is recommended to limit or stay away from dark-colored soft drinks entirely and instead choose healthier options such as sugar-free alternatives, herbal tea, or water. 6. Beans and lentils. The nutritional benefits of beans and lentils often outweigh any potential drawback, making them an important component of a balanced diet. Beans and lentils are nutrient-dense food rich in fiber, protein, and a variety of vitamins and minerals. However, they also contain compounds known as anti-nutrients, such as lectins and fat, which can interfere with the absorption and digestion of minerals. Although these anti-nutrients may have some impact on kidney health, they can be minimized through proper soaking and cooking techniques. 7. Bananas. Although many people still enjoy bananas, it is important to consume them in a moderation and be mindful of other potassium-rich foods in your diet. Bananas are known for their potassium content, which is crucial for heart and muscle function. However, individuals with kidney problems may need to monitor their potassium intake, as the kidney play a significant role in regulating potassium level in the body. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a staple food in many cuisines because of their rich flavor and flexibility, but they also contain potassium, which some people with kidney issues may find concerning. To incorporate tomatoes into a diet that is beneficial to your kidney, think about portion control and moderation. You may also lower the potassium content of tomatoes by processing them into a sauce or paste. 9. Dairy product. Although dairy product can still be a part of a balanced diet for most people, it is important to consume them in moderation and choose low phosphorus alternatives when possible. Dairy products are often the main source of calcium and protein in diets, but they also contain phosphorus, which can accumulate in bloodstream when the kidney are not functioning optimally. 10. Oranges. Oranges are a tasty and healthy fruit with a high vitamin C content. However, they also contain potassium, which can make it difficult for those with renal issue to include oranges in a diet that is kidney friendly. You may get the citrus advantages of oranges without sacrificing your kidney health. If you watch portion sizes and balance them with low potassium fruit. These 10 foods have been connected to possible impact on kidney health. Therefore, it's critical to approach dietary decision with moderation and balance. Genetics and general lifestyle are two aspects that affect kidney health. Therefore, seeking the advice of a healthcare provider or nutritionist can provide tailored advice on how to maintain optimal kidney function. I hope you found the information interesting enough to click the like button, join the channel, turn on notification, and send your friends and family the video.